Video topic today is how I see my look at entering health, not life insurance business source. Says insurance is well placed to make most of the composite license. In fact, it was a composite insurer till early 1970 when Oriental Insurance was carved out. The Life Insurance Corporation of India has the wherewithal to acquire a composite license, a top source of the development of business standard. I think that the insurance payment might look into entering the health and the general insurance segment. Private insurers is to potential life insurance companies' assets under management have crossed to past 5 trillion mark, the company said in a release. According to the statement, it was the company customer-centric product increase in new business premium, industry leading persistency, reduced customer service, and risk-adjusted return that contribute to building the army. The company will start operation 22 years ago in December 2000. It was an aim of the around 100 crore Rs to by the end of the FY 2001. In the next 9 years, the organization reached an aim of 50,000 crores to Rs, and in another 14 years it crossed 1 trillion Rs threshold. Since then, the company took 6 years to double its aim to Rs 2 trillion and less than 2 years to secure the subsequent 50,000 Rs crore to bringing its total aim to Rs to past 5 trillion. As of September 30, 2022, ACC Prudential Life had a 15.7% market share in the term of new business sum assured. It has also incorporated environmental government factor in its operation as a sizable ethical life insurance firm. Manish Kumar, Chief Investment Officer, ICE to Prudential Life to Insurance, said, "We believe the asset under management for a life insurer qualitatively symbolizes the trust placed by customers in the company, since life insurance is a long-term product. Over the last 2 decades, our investment philosophy is the insurance zero NPA science inspection and a cross-market cycle, integrating ESG factor into our business. Has been one of our focus areas. Demonstrating our commitment toward ESG issues, we were the first Indian insurance company to sign the United Nations Support Principle for Responsible Investment. We were also India's first life insurance company to launch the Sustainable Equity Fund and ESG to Focus Fund. Life insurance coverage for Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Home Affairs personnel has been doubled to $300,000 while a broader personal injury policy with some coverage amount replaced a $150,000 personal accident policy. The change took effect on January 1 to virtually all full-time national servicemen, operationally ready national servicemen eligible volunteers and the regulator to wear coverage for up to $150,000 under both the group term life and the group personal accident insurance policy, which together comprise the group insurance scheme in place since 2016. And additional, the GBA policy has been renamed the group personal injury policy to reflect a broader coverage of workplace injuries specific to the Singapore Army forces and home teamwork environment such as long-term noise induced to hearing damage or decompression sickness. The insurance will benefit about 500,000 personnel who are to coverage under the MINDEF and the MHA to group insurance scheme every year, said MINDEF on Monday. Insured individuals who wish to increase their coverage or insure their dependent can optimize to purchase additional coverage at competitive premium method. The higher coverage is announced by Serious Minister of State for Defense Zhang Ho during MINDEF budget debate in March 2022. MINDEF added that both TIP and MHA will work with a transit insurer, Singlife, to ensure a smooth transition in policy arrangement for all policyholders. The maximum coverage for the GPI policy is $1 million, up from $600,000 under the GPI policy, while the maximum coverage under the group term life policy remains at $1 million. Premium for additional coverage beyond $300,000 are self-bonus, and coverage will continue even after policyholders leave the service so long as the premium are paid, said MINDEF. The term and the condition of the voluntary scheme for extra coverage are administered by the insurer, and the personnel will need to liaise directly with it on the application for any claims under the voluntary scheme. Previously, all full-time national servicemen operational ready national serve for up to $150,000 under both the group term life and the group personal accident insurance policy, which together comprise the group insurance scheme in place since 2016. In addition, the GPI policy has been renamed the group personal injury policy to reflect a broader coverage of workplace injuries specific to the Singapore Armed Forces and a home teamwork environment, such as long-term loss induced to hearing damage or decompression sickness. This change will benefit about 500,000 personnel who are covered under the MINDEF and the MHA group insurance scheme every year, said MINDEF on Monday. Insured individuals who wish to increase their coverage or insure the dependent can optimize to purchase additional coverage at competitive premium. It added the higher coverage. He has to announce it by Senior Minister of State for Defense Hou to Mendez, budget tipid in March 2022.